Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. I'm your math teacher Priyanka, and in this video I will teach you properties of integers. Hope after this session you will be able to understand where you will use these properties. So let's start. Properties of integers. First property name is closure property. We will see in this session addition, subtraction, multiplication and division will follow closure property or not. Okay, so please listen carefully, pay attention here and try to understand. So first we will check addition will follow closure property or not. So just let two integers a and b. Suppose a and b are two integers, okay? And sum of two integers, that means a plus b is equal to c, where c is an integer. We will check it by an example. First example is 2 plus 5. 2 plus 5 both are positive integer, and when we add it 7 comes. What is 7? 7 also is an integer. Next number is minus 3 minus 7. We have to add both integers. Just check it here. Minus 3 plus minus 7. Again same sign, then we have to do addition. Then 7 plus 3 10, and we will take common sign, that means minus. Understand? Okay, so by these examples we can understand clearly here that addition follows closure property. Just check in second operation, that means subtraction. Okay, subtraction. In subtraction case, we will take two integers a and b. When we subtract a and b, c will come, and what is c? C also an integer. Just check it here by this example. First example is 4 minus 3. So 4 minus 3, what the difference between? So difference is 1. Okay, next example is minus 34 and minus 12. What the difference? So do here minus 34 minus of course plus 12. So check it here. My last video I told you that difference sign, then you have to do subtraction. Then 34 minus 12, 2, 3 minus 1, 2. And just check it here, which number is greater? 34 is greater with the sign of greater number here. By both examples we can see that subtraction also follows closure property. Okay, now our next operation is multiplication. In multiplication also we take a and b two integers, and we will check product of two integers also an integer. Okay, product of two integers also an integer. We will check it by examples. So we take two numbers 7 and 3. Product of 7 and 3 is 21. Next number is one integer is positive, other one is negative. So what the product of it? 9 5s are 45, and we have to put plus minus minus. 4 2s are 8, and sign is minus, because in my last video I told you that please check my last video and you can understand how you can put signs. Okay, next example is 8 into 1 cos 8 and minus minus plus, which is not necessary to write here. Okay, so by these examples we can prove that multiplication also follows closure property. Okay, our next and last operation is division. We will check here division will follow closure property or not. So we take here two integers a and b. We see here c. C is the resultant, that means quotient. In some cases, quotient may be an integer, but in some cases it may not. Okay, in some cases it may not. Just we will check here by examples. So I take two integers, both are positive. Whole divide by 2. So 2, both are positive. So resultant, that means quotient also be positive. And 2 is an integer. But in next example, 3 divide by minus 5. So quotient will be 3 by 5. Okay. In integers, we know that counting number, whole number and negative of counting numbers are known as integers, but 3 by 5. 3 by 5 is not an integer. So by both of examples we proved here that in some cases when we divide two numbers, in some cases quotient be an integer, but in some cases it may not. Okay, so by in this video we completely see how some numbers proved that addition, subtraction, multiplication completely follow closure property. But in case of division, remember, in some places it follow closure property, but in some places it may not. Okay. If you think that you can easily understand and learn maths from my videos, then do not forget to like and subscribe the channel. Also, please give your feedback in the comment box. I will be waiting for your valuable feedback. Thank you for watching.